Hey everybody, this is Draft for the Huggable Unicorn. We have 10 spots at one spot. We are going live at 12 a.m. We're going to paste the list. We're going to roll the dice 4 higher. We have a 5. Here we go, 5 times. We have Miss Kim on top, Miss Kim on bottom. We randomized it 4 times. Dice toss for a 5. Here we go, final time, 12 a.m. Good luck, everybody. And Miss Kim is the winner with spot number 7. Congratulations. We have 10 names on the list. We randomized it 5 times. The dice does call for a 5. We are done. Final time stamp, 12 a.m. Congratulations, winner, and thanks everybody for helping us fill.